Hi! In this video, we will quickly overview Leisure Time Chlorine Start-up Kit. What is Leisure Time Chlorine Start-up Kit? The Chlorine Start-up Kit contains the essential products needed for a chlorine spa startup and maintenance. Product benefits: everything you need to maintain your spa or hot tub in prime condition in one kit. Keep your spa's surface shiny and inviting by removing oil, grime, and scale deposits. Works with chlorine spa sanitizers. All the essentials needed for a chlorine spa startup and maintenance. What's in the box? Leisure Time Spa 56 Chlorinating Granules 2 pounds. Leisure Time Renew 2.2 pounds. Leisure Time Metal Gone 16 oz. Water sample bottle. Additional information: follow directions for each spa. Chemical include: store in cool, dry location out of direct sunlight. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.